The Quest for Saddam, Episode 1. TOPPS Desert Storm, Series 1. Coalition for Peace. We're after that rookie card. Master Commander George W. Bush Sr. The man, the myth, the meme. The father of Mr. September himself.
There's so many to choose from.
Look at all these. So I think we're going to look at how many packs are in a...
Is that a full case, or have card packs been taken out of it?
This is a full mint case. These have not been opened. These are all brand new cards. This is just beaten up. The seal has been broken. That's all. So a bit of sellotape going from there.
What year did these come out?
1991.
Ooh, older than us.
They are made and printed in the US of A, baby. Patriotism. Sticking it to those Iraqis.
Cheap export.
That's it. We'll teach them to go into Q8. Burn the oil fields, will you? Well, I have somewhere. Stand by. Pause recording. There we go. I have an assistant in case any of the packs offer me any resistance like the Iraqis did.
Oh.
So we're good to go. So the inaugural pack opening, Desert Storm, they're in like a wax paper here. Here's your barcode. So
There's like a chocolate bar almost.
Ah.
That's it. These have been sealed for a very long time.
It's like bad animal chocolate.
The USS Oulet frigate. Okay. Taking off in an... Yep.
That's a really weird illustration.
Taking it off?
They're all just photos. They're not even illustrations. Yeah. Getting off in the plane. He's getting off. That's the friction from it.
Oh.
He's up to it.
Up he goes.
Up we go. Oh, the checklist.
Ah, let's keep that handy.
That's quite good. What have we got? I want to get the Pentagon rookie card, baby.
American flag just stood out to me at the very bottom of the list.
General Schwarzkopf, baby. General Schwarzkopf rookie card. He's the guy. Schwarzkopf III. He's chairman of Allied forces in the Persian Gulf. Not anymore. He dead. No, I don't know if he's dead or not. I'm just guessing. There's a guy. Looks like he's going to have one too many of the free beers at a barbecue. CH-47 Chinook. Beautiful. Looks like a penis. Oh, yes. Machine guns ready, rookie.
Hey.
Is this going to be a load of seized weapons? There are several varieties of the automatic weapon of machine gun. Wow, they are boiling this down to the most basic bullshit. The M60 general purpose machine. Okay, so that they are. This set apparently is quite famous for having poor or self-explanatory information.
They're just reaching.
Yeah, SH-60B helicopter with a. Oh my God, the U.S. Navy rookie card. Oh. It's gay. In the Navy, we're going to put in the Navy over here.
Pride of place.
That's a good start. We've got a checklist and we're gay. And I believe, yeah, all of the picture cards make up. That's a really weird one.
What is that?
A guy in a respirator.
Yeah,
airport, I believe, but they all make up one big picture. So.
Oh, well, we've got to put that together at the end.
Satellite dish.
Yeah, Jodrell Bank.
Yeah, they're there. Looking at stars. Yeah. Satellite dish communication systems. They're key. They're key, motherfucker. There you go. Great. USS Wisconsin, big ass boat. Helicopter formation. I can already hear Ride of the Valkyrie. Mid-air refueling. Plane
Impressive.
penising. Docking in the sky. We're back to the Navy.
Heyo.
General Colin Powell rookie card. We got him, ladies and gentlemen. He looks like your uncle, who's also an accountant. General Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff. Number 2, and you know who number?
Are they all numbered?
They are. Yeah, we've got. We need 1 to 88 here in the set.
Ah.
And this is number 88, the checklist. And then you've got stickers from 1 till 22. The Patriot missile, because we don't settle for anything less than the most patriotic of weapons. M1 Abrams, that's a fun fun photo there. Like that. Oh, hello. In flight with A7s. Highway to the mean. We've got the 17th Cavalry Division.
I'm going to jinx it, but so far no doubles, which is a good sign.
Yeah, it's
That's all right.
it's a good sign. Open it now. It's going to be an exact copy.
Yeah, same pack.
The rest of it's just the same cards again and again.
Oh.
Yep.
Yep. Here we go.
There we go. Oh, yeah.
Yep. Can we put the doubles in a separate pile?
Yeah. Oh, this is literally the same pack. What the fuck?
Oh. Wow.
What?
Oh, machine guns ready.
Refund.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
That's a new one, right?
That's nice. I like that. Heat storm in the Gulf. We've got the 30th Artillery. Motto: willing and able.
Oh, I'm willing and able, if you know what I mean.
Birth of the U.S. Navy. Wait, what?
So yeah.
You can pause that if you want to have a read. Something about capturing the British. I'm not reading that on video. It is. Just going to enjoy my whiskey and soda here for a minute.
Refuel.
It's 30 degrees here. So alcohol will help rehydrate me. Oh, this one's fighting back.
Oh.
Subscribe to our Patreon. You'll be able to buy all the old packets.
Oh God, flaked everywhere.
Oh, that one died. There we go. Oh fuck. There we go. Paratrooper in flight. I don't think that's flight. I think that's called falling. Army supply ship. That is a lot of tonks there. There we go. Airborne unit. They're on the ground, so yeah. CH-53 Super Stallion again, back to the Navy, big gay.
Mr. Stallone. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful machine gunner. Got the M60.
Yeah, favorite character.
Let's have a look at it. Wait a minute. Is that correct? I don't know if that's correct for
I think it's
1990.
correct.
Okay. The fuck? Who let Luxembourg in? They're not even a country.
Yes.
They just wanted to join in.
Just a fake ass place that people put their money. Prowler, yeah, he's a sex offender. Oh, look at this. There we go. Marine firefighters.
Way.
He's squirting. He's got his squirter out. Apache helicopter. 503rd Infantry. Motto: The Rock.
What? That's awful.
That's aged badly.
Dwayne, the Airborne Infantry Unit Johnson. Ah, that's smooth. This one's smooth. Wide blue yonder. Oh, this one's feeling a bit weird. I feel like I've got an extra card in here.
Oh.
Oh yes, anti-aircraft chemical gear.
What?
Don't even understand it. Let's read more about it.
Let's learn.
Threatened use of chemical weapons. But luckily our brave boys over there has given them hell. Blister agents. There you go. Well, luckily they found all those WMDs after all.
Just what we all want, paralysis and heart failure.
Yeah. May include deafness. The USS Iowa. Is it just me, or am I looking at... do I just see boobs there?
Yeah.
Yeah. The amazing Mariner.
Show off.
The amazing...
Is that a French plane?
I can't even believe you, Daniel. If I'm not mistaken, this is a British...
I do think it's funny how it's really badly cropped for the card. Just cut the nose off a bit. Fuck it.
Fuck you.
Not as amazing as you think.
Carry a ship at night. I hope the next one's carry a ship at day. Oh, wings over Egypt. That's quite a good photo.
Yeah, Egypt.
Only good one.
Patriot Missile Command Center.
Wait, didn't we already have Patriot missile card?
We've had the Patriot Missile, but not the command center.
Yeah, same thing.
Daring and tenacious, the 8th Field Artillery.
Weird
Yeah.
logos they have. They look more English. Maybe they're supposed to be English.
Well, I mean, you know, they've learned from the best. Oh dear, this is wildly uncomfortable.
How are the hands?
I'll be pouring the gloves out.
Yeah, thought as much.
Heat storm in the Gulf, got a double. Oh, here's this. Chief of Staff, General Merrill A. McPeak, and he looks like he's got a bird on his shoulder.
His face looks as though it's just been fused to the skin.
I was working in the lab late one night.
He's having a hot sweat.
This guy here, he's an uncomfortable man.
He's hard.
There you go. Well, wherever he is now, I hope he's well. Scud missile. Oh, we're into the Iraqi stuff here now. Scud missile B.
Oh, we've got the A to look forward to.
I know. F-15 fighter plane.
Moving in.
Hang on.
What?
Moving out.
Yep.
Yeah. Amazing.
Moving out, Iraqi song.
F-111 bombers. Yeah. Ready in the...
Wow.
No.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah, look.
A thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Give him a thumbs up, so yeah. That's going over here.
That's fantastic.
Stallion again. Oh, we got 41st Field. That's cocky. Their motto is mission accomplished. That's very, very cocky. We're not opening all the packs, by the way. I will pass out if we do that. We'll.
This is episode 1. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Come to a natural stoppage. Britain's tornado. There you go.
Yeah. Patriarchy returns.
Over here. Tau anti-tank gun. Yeah. Highly efficient in Battlefield 3. POV
Really?
of the bloke giving a thumbs up. There's a bit, yeah.
I'm
There's
doing
a-
my bit for the military.
Yeah. Big button there, so do not press. Oh, tanks take a stronghold.
Yeah.
That's a stronghold. View from above. I think we've
I
had
like
that
that.
one, haven't we?
I don't think we have, you know.
Dawn in the desert. Well, there you go. Oh,
Oh, who's that?
General Richard G. Graves. Wow, that guy. Bless him.
Look at the ears on
Pee Wee
that.
Herman.
He looks like he's from Shadow out of Innsmouth. Satellite dish. Crap card,
look
Luke.
at that.
Oh, here we go. 75th Infantry. A bit of their own accord. Yeah, they were just using a random generator at this point. Getting that ASMR, sweaty glove ASMR.
Oof. You're treating us.
Oh, he's back.
Yeah.
Oh, Scud Missile B again. Oh, another dupe. Oh, moving in again. Oh dear, we got. Oh, he's back.
Oh, he's back. Hey, he's doing his bit.
I feel like someone would want that card in the future. I think we'll put that up. Oh, here we look at this legend.
Wow.
They're not telling him they're taking that photo, are they?
He's in VR land.
Oh my God,
Ooh.
the US Air Force emblem. Look at this. There's a corner.
Yeah, that's
Look at
important.
that. That's a rookie card if I ever did see one. We're coming down to our, I think, last 4 packs.
Oh, that's a tear.
That's how sweaty it is. They're stuck to my arm.
Well, I see the Wisconsin card again.
We're back again. Helicopter. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it.
Yeah,
Colin
another
Powell
dupe.
again. Patriot Missile again. M1 Abrams again. Oh, there he is again.
Yeah.
Wide blue under
Another
again.
dupe.
Ah, well, okay. The motto.
Do not touch me!
What? What?
I
That'd
like
be the
that.
worst motto I ever seen.
Shove that on a t-shirt.
Do not touch me. I'm a veteran.
I'm an infantry. Don't touch me.
Touch me, I'll come.
Do not invade Kuwait or I'll come.
Invade me or I'll kill myself.
Don't honk at me in the Abrams or I'll kill myself. Oh, here we go, baby. FB22 Stratford Strato Fortress.
Yeah, that's a fun one.
A quiet.
Oh, can we have a
Wow.
quick quiet moment for that card? That'll do.
There we go. Beautiful. Ready for.
Fucking hell.
Danger zone.
Danger zone. I like that.
Delphin. Canadian Air Force. The Canucks are here, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, just be back by bedtime.
Prep-
What the fuck?
What?
He's got his
What?
sleeping bag. He's off.
It's like he's done a big shit.
Oh, officer, I'm going out the plane. That's great. Love that card.
That's fun. What number's that card?
That's number
Of
60.
course it fucking is.
Oh, why did you ask? Did you just have a feeling about that?
I had a 69 feeling about that card and I was right.
Amazing. A10's in formation. That's a beautiful sight, that is.
I like that.
Wait, what?
What? Patriot
There's a
Control
third one?
Center? What?
Third one to the Patriot missile system here.
You could build one out of these cards.
Look at this now. Yeah. Motto stands alone.
Daniel on his hatred for music.
And grammatically correct. It sounds weird.
How many packs we got left?
This is the penultimate one for this episode here. Oh, we've got the night vision again.
No. Yeah.
Ah, Strato Fortress. My second quiet moment. Ah,
That's new, isn't it? That one?
no, we've already had. Oh,
I do like that one.
69 again. It's literally that's exact same pack bar this. Motto on the minute.
We've not had any duplicate stickers, have we?
No, these aren't even stickers. These are just like the
Oh, I thought they were the stickers and like you peeled the logos off, but you still had the backs or something.
No, I've not encountered the stickers, unless I'm wildly wrong here, but no.
No.
That's a weird logo. They have straight out of, medieval times there. Euronymous Bosch fish going on.
Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Alright, let's hope for something good. Final pack.
Let's hope for George Bush, number 1. French Mirage fighter, that's new.
Frigates.
Frigate. Manning the M110.
That's new, isn't it?
Yeah. They don't look happy about it.
Ooh,
Phoenix missile.
that's cool.
The big boy. Sunset on the
Oh, that's pretty sweet. I like that one.
Yeah.
Huh.
And a vibing. Ah!
Oh,
He's there.
oh,
There.
Senior!
there he is.
That's the one, baby.
Oh, put that straight in shot for the rest of the opening.
Wow, rigged.
That's amazing. There he
Nick
is.
Edition, number 1, baby.
Oh, what a way to end the first episode.
We found George Bush Senior.
Amazing.
Probably should have died in the Second World War, but by some miracle survived and gave birth to Mr. September himself. Look at this.
Wow, we have some favourites, I tell you.
And we finished. Oh, look at this. Is this the... No, it's just this
Oh, so
Heel
that's the
Ashley.
sticker. Okay.
display proudly. I mean, oh, that's got some like yeah, I don't know if you can see that on the camera.
Ooh, like a film kind of thing.
Yeah, it's got some expiration on there. That's where the back glue of the packet is held on. So luckily, the man, the myth, the meme was not at the back because he would have been.
So that's
we
the
still
rarest
haven't-
one?
That's going to be. I think that's the rarest one. We've got the mint condition Commander in Chief,
Excellent.
and that's great. I mean, took us a while to get there.
Wow, and that's only the start.
That's only the start. So we've got a few duplicates going on. Not too many. We've done quite well.
Shall we do a
And
recap of favourite cards?
I think obviously you got to be number 1,
Obviously.
Commander in Chief himself, followed by our main guy over here.
Yeah.
And your man here, who's just upper decked his ex-girlfriend's toilet, and he's out of there now.
Can we turn
He-
that card 90 degrees to the left?
Whee!
He's just having a little sleep, bless him.
Ah! Favorite motto: don't touch me. Do not touch me.
him. I did not.
On the minute.
We could arrange
So there we
those
go.
into a very fun sentence.
So there we go. I think we'll finish with this shot.
Yeah.
We've acquired the Commander in Chief. That's what we came for, baby.
Tune in
Until
for
next-
episode 2 at some point.
Cheers, George.